But as the BJP takes stock, a warning coming from the Shiv Sena ahead of a crucial meeting between Amit Shah and Uddhav Thackeray. In its mouthpiece Samna, the Sena told the BJP, learn from these losses. The Sena also once again reiterated that the Chief Minister would be from their party.
अभी जो मोदी लाड बोल रहे हैं ना, वही नाराजी है हमारे को।
अकेले गए तो हमारे को हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन भाजपा को बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा।
शिवसेना को कमजोर समझ रहे हैं।
मान सम्मान से हुई, इज्जत से हुई तो उनके साथ चलना, नहीं तो हम अकेला चलना।
कितने तैयार है अकेले के? सब तैयार है। डर नहीं लगता है कहाँ है?
Ready to go alone. Shiv Sainiks across Maharashtra backing their chief Uddhav Thackeray as the unending logjam between the Shiv Sena and the BJP over seat sharing continues. Their focus to comfortably cross the magic figure all by themselves, 150 of Maharashtra's 288 seats. The pressure now even more on the BJP after their poor performance at the by-polls, and the Sena rubbing it in their mouthpiece. The Samna editorial warning that the Aam Aadmi should not be taken for granted and lessons must be learned from the by-poll losses. One of them to remain humble and grounded. However, the ally chose not to connect the losses to the Modi wave.
कि महाराष्ट्र में मुख्यमंत्री शिवसेना का होगा तो उधर कोई चर्चा नहीं होगी, और सीटों का बंटवारा अगर आप कहेंगे तो शिवसेना ज़्यादा सीटें लड़ेगी, लड़ते आई है, उसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं होगा। अब लहर की बात करें तो मैं मानता हूँ महाराष्ट्र में सिर्फ शिवसेना की लहर है, और इस लहर के साथ हम सब पूरी महायुति मंत्रालय तक जाएगी।
Only 28 days remain before Mumbai and Maharashtra go to the polls, and the Shiv Sena is fast losing patience with their oldest ally, the BJP. Top Sena sources reveal the party is not willing to fight anything less than 150 seats. And if the BJP is not willing to find a compromise, they will indeed snap this 25-year-old alliance. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.